Automatic transmissions have changed the way we drive. No more clutch, no more shifting gears, just smooth cruising. But here's the big question: which automatic transmission is the most reliable? In today's video, we'll break down the different types of automatic transmissions, look at their strengths and weaknesses, and finally reveal which ones are known to last the longest with the least trouble. Stick around till the end. You'll know exactly which transmission type to trust for your next car purchase. Welcome to Auto Curious. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe to it and don't forget to press the bell icon so you may not miss any update of our new upcoming video. Before we jump into the types, let's understand why reliability is so important. An automatic transmission is one of the costliest components in your car. Repairs can cost thousands of dollars and replacements sometimes even more than the value of the car itself. A reliable transmission means fewer breakdowns, smoother performance, and peace of mind over the years. Now, not all automatics are created equal. Let's go to the main types you'll find in the modern cars. On number first, it's a traditional torque converter automatic. In short form, it's known as the AT. These are the oldest and most widely used type transmissions. This uses the fluid coupling and the torque converter. The pros of this transmission are they are very reliable, smooth shifts, handles high torque. And the cons of this transmission are they are slightly less fuel efficient than the newer tech. The brands that master it are like the Toyota, Honda and Lexus. On number 2, it comes continuously variable transmission. The short form is the CVT. This transmission system uses a belt and pulley system for the infinite gear ratios. The pros of this transmission are they are fuel efficient, smoother driving in the city traffic. And the major cons of these transmissions are it feels less engaging and the belts may wear out. The reliability depends on the brand. Toyota and Honda CVTs are quite good, but some Nissan CVTs are the notorious for the issues. On number 3, it comes dual clutch transmission. Short form, you can consider DCT or DSG. It uses two clutches for lightning fast gear changes. The pros of these transmissions are they may make you feel sporty and they are quick in the shifts. The cons of these transmissions are they can be jerky in traffic, they have the expensive repairs and not always the best for long-term reliability. The companies like the Volkswagen, Audi and Ford had reliability controversies here. The last one is the automated manual transmission AMT. Basically, this transmission is a manual gearbox with robotic shifting. The pros of this transmission are they are cheap and fuel efficient, but the cons of these transmissions are they are jerky, they have the slow shifts and not the most durable. They are most common in the budget cars. So, which of this has stood the test of time? Let's look at the real world reliability. The torque converter automatics, which is almost the winner of the reliability. These are the better tested. You will find in Toyota Corollas, Camrys and Honda Accords running over 200 or 300,000 kilometers with minimal transmission issues. Heavy duty SUVs like the Toyota Land Cruiser and the Lexus LX also use torque converters because they can handle the massive torque. The CVTs, they have the mixed bag. The Toyota and Honda CVTs are reliable if maintained well. Nissan's Jatco CVTs, on the other hand, have been infamous for overheating and failures. In general, CVTs are best for the city driving, but not for high performance, for long-term heavy use. Number 3 is the DCT or DSG. While fun to drive, and these are the most reliable long-term ownership, especially in hot climates or stop-and-go traffic. They have expensive repairs, make them risky. And the last one is the AMTs. They are reliable in terms of the mechanics, but because of the jerky shifting and wears, they are not the best choice if comfort is a priority. When it comes to brands, Here are some names you can trust for the bulletproof automatics. Number first is the Toyota. It is the legendary for the reliability both in torque converter and CVT. Number second is Honda. They have the smooth and the durable transmissions. Number third is the Lexus. It has, you can consider it as a premium Toyota reliability. After all, Lexus is a Toyota. Number fourth is the Mazda. They have the Sky Active automatics, are well engineered and simple. So let's come to the final verdict. Here's the bottom line. If you want the most reliable automatic transmission, choose a traditional torque converter automatic, especially from the Toyota, Honda, or Lexus. These have proven themselves worldwide for decades. CVTs are good for efficiency if you stick with reliable brands, while DCTs are for enthusiasts but not for the best for long term ownership. Which transmission do you prefer? Smooth and reliable or fast and sporty? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.